On the outbound side of warehousing operations, the RFID tags enable us to see the assets being moved from the warehouse to the dock door and being staged prior to being packed inside of a trailer. The unique advantages that Zebra brings there is we have the capability with our overhead readers to see the motion and detection of those proper pallets before they're loaded into the vehicle. From that point in time, we can determine how they're loaded and when they're loaded into the proper vehicle and report that back to the warehouse management system. Another advantage that we have through our partner channel is the ability to manage supply chain constrictions and flows. We're seeing today a big impact on supply chain, and what we're able to do there is to aggregate demand across all of our supply chain partners and certify that we can meet the expectations of those end users through our partner network, allowing our partners to properly set expectations while fulfilling the demand and removing the constraints that you see in other areas of the business that may not be able to react as quickly.